I've seen CTOs many years back being very technology oriented, right? Their language used to be technology, their way of speaking and trying to explain things used to be technology, which used to miss the entire company. Now, the language they speak is business. And I see that huge change from the CTO, CIO side, where they're really talking business. And this is because those lines are blurred, right? They're no longer enabling the business, they are the business, by itself. They are speaking customer, they are speaking, the problems on the ground. They're no longer speaking this technology to solve this problem. That comes secondary. From a CFO mindset, similarly, because the CFO, again, like we were talking earlier, is now talking business. They're no longer talking. So that convergence has happened where you can actually sit at the table. You're no longer talking two different languages. You're talking exactly the same language. You're saying, here is a problem statement, business problem that you want to solve, which is at the center of it. And here is the technology solution for it that can solve it. And here is the financial support for it, or, enablement for it that could help resolve it. And then you look at the outcome together, right, as to what happens if you do both of it. And both have started learning a lot more about each other.